What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today is July 30th, 2022, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the crypto markets and why I think in August we're going to have a bullish month. I've got a bunch of things I want to share with you guys, and if you think that's interesting, stick around. I'll tell you all about it. All right, guys, hopefully you're having a great day today. Happy Saturday. Hopefully you guys are out doing something and not sitting in the house watching TV and whatnot. I'm going to be going outside here in a little bit after I make this video. But yeah, rocking the new hat, Frag Out Clothing Company. It's a local veteran place near me. Don't tread on me shirt. I don't know. I like it. So always support local. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. Do a crypto market overview right now. So the market is doing pretty good today on the weekend. We're up about 2.22%. Bitcoin's up about 0.35%, sitting at 23,957. ETH's down about 1.27%, sitting about 1,700. BNB's down about 2%. XRP's up 7%. And Cardano up about 1.37%, sitting at 53 cents. Top gainers last 24 hours, we got Filecoin up about 46.73%. Wrapped Ampleforth up about 45%, and Teller up about 39.91%. Top losers the last 24 hours, we got Unify Protocol DAO down about 30.92%, Assemble Protocol down about 13.07%, and Ampleforth Governance Token down about 12.07%, and at $6.12. Today is July 30th, 2022. Let's take a look at some of the holidays that we have going on. I'm not going to go through all of them, but just some of the ones that people share a lot. International Day of Friendship, National Cheesecake Day. We got, let's see, National Father-in-Law Day, National Support Public Education Day, National Whistleblower Day, Paperback Book Day, and Share a Hug Day. So those are some of your holidays for July 30th. Taking a look at the top 100 crypto bubbles for you visual people out there. Like I just previously said, Filecoin's up about 46.3%. Yearn.finance is up about 28.2%. Man, I remember that thing was like $80,000, $90,000 at its peak, I think. Now it's down 61%, but man, times have changed. Top favorites. We got Elrond's up 2.1%. Propy's up 2.9%. We got Doge and Scicoins up. Dot's up 2.2%. CKB up 0.3%. VGX token down about 3.4%. Total crypto market cap, slowly but surely coming up. We're at about 1.08 trillion. According to TradingView, CoinGecko has us up about 0.4% at $1.1 trillion. So that's good to see. Bitcoin dominance coming down a little bit, looking at about a 14.26%. DXY, we're down a little bit. We're sitting at about 105.828. Again, there's this box that I drew. Historically, the DXY has a massive resistance support line at about the 110. So it looks like we kind of peaked out here around 14th of July at about 105. But if I go back, let me just take a look at the daily. Actually, let me go back to the weekly. You can see this box going all the way back to like 1968. This has been a zone that has been pretty critical for the DXY. You guys can see right now that we are currently literally testing it. Let me go back down to the 4-hour and zoom in for you. You can see here that we wicked down below it a little bit, but it came back up. And then now it looks like we currently wicked down below it a little bit. It looks like we just kind of hit it. But I'm always keeping an eye on that because when the DXY is up, that's when traditional markets and crypto is down and vice versa. So just keep an eye on that, man. If we break that resistance right here, this trend line, could see a nice little rally for Bitcoin in the crypto markets. Total crypto market cap right now. So just some quick TA on here. It is good that we've seen that we're above this 200-week moving average. We kind of wicked below it a bit in the past, but it's been a good support level. Here, every time we touch that, we kind of see a nice break to the upside, which is what we've seen. Also, this trend line here going back to the all-time high, at least on the weekly for the total crypto market cap around 8 November, where we had about 2.9 trillion, almost a 3 trillion total crypto market cap. But we're testing that right now. So if we break above that, we might see a little relief rally, especially leading into August. You guys can see here that looks like we are wicked above it right now, but we'll see how we close the weekly. Hopefully pretty positive, and it'll be a good bullish thing for the whole total crypto market cap. So keep an eye on that. Ethereum's leading the charge right now in the rally. It is definitely outperforming Bitcoin. I do believe at the low that we had down here at the 18th of June when Ethereum was about $870, leading all the way up to around where we're at now, it's about up 100% from that. Whereas Bitcoin is, let's see, Bitcoin from its all-time low, where people were saying it's the bottom around that 17.5 time frame, all the way to, let's see, where we're at now. It's only up about 35 or so percent. So again, Ethereum definitely is leading the charge here. It's been in this channel right now, and this trend line's kind of been acting as a strong resistance. We are coming down a little bit. I'm not surprised. We are overbought right here, at least on the forward time frame. We are starting to flip the MACD here to the negative momentum. You guys can see right here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a little decrease in Ethereum heading back down towards this Ichimoku cloud, because you guys can see it's far away. Whenever anything gets far enough away from the Ichimoku cloud, tends to come back downward. So again, keep an eye out there on Ethereum. If we do break above this trend line here, we could see a potential rally. Found this the other day too, Ethereum Fear and Greed Index. So Ethereum right now is in greed, and some people like to trade on the Fear and Greed Index. So right now, like I said, I'm expecting Ethereum to come down. Might not hurt to take some profits. Not financial advice, I hate saying that. And also, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. It's a famous Warren Buffett quote. Looking into Bitcoin, again, Bitcoin's been popping around this channel right now, far away from the Ichimoku cloud. It's trying to break through this trend line right here in this channel, so hopefully we can do that here soon. But again, I'm expecting a small pullback here over the next couple days, but at least leading into August, which I'll go over here in a couple minutes, some reasons why I think it is bullish. But yeah, some quick Bitcoin, definitely over bought as well here, at least in the 4-hour time frame. Fear and Greed Index, we are coming up. We're back in that fear territory, almost coming into the neutral zone. Now we're at 42. Yesterday we were at a 39. So keep an eye on that. We've had that clump of fear over the last 2 months or so, an extreme fear, and now we're starting to see a small relief. Traditional markets doing good. They closed the day pretty positive on Friday, so that's good to see. Futures also look like they're doing pretty good, so maybe next week will be pretty good for the traditional markets. So going back to why I think August is going to be pretty bullish. Again, we had a big week for crypto, the GDP numbers, CPI, a bunch of things, but the markets kind of reacted pretty good to it. Everything either was probably priced in, what people are saying, but a lot of people are thinking the next 30, 45 days in the month of August, we're going to see an uptrend. Bitcoin prices are expected to close the monthly trade on a bullish note. A couple indicators do point out a notable upswing may be sustained throughout the month of August, may enable the price surge beyond 25,000. So again, a lot of people thought we were going to have 100 basis points rise, and we avoided that. It was actually a 75-point basis is what they came up with. The Fed may raise the interest rates 100 basis points to curb rising inflation. This would have resulted in an extreme bearish move for stock and crypto. However, we didn't see that. Also, dovish tone was not used, which refers to an aggressive tone used to describe the current situation. However, the Fed, in the recent announcement, did not appear to be dovish, but a little bit more hawkish. The Fed is taking a break with the FOMC meeting, so the next one is expected somewhere in September 2022, about 55 days away, and no meetings are scheduled in August, so a minor rally again could be expected. And again, Bitcoin trying to break that resistance, which I just previously talked about. It's crucial resistance at 22.4, so if we do see that, there's probably more to the downside if we do break that. So again, we have all those things going on. Altcoins, though, could see a potential very bullish month for the altcoins. So here's a chart of the altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you could see back this trend line that we've had back in April that kind of use it as a nice resistance point. We just are above that right now. So that's good to see when it's excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin. Could see a nice little move for the alts. So keep an eye on that one. Also, another thing for Bitcoin that people aren't really talking about is the HODL waves. So looking at this chart, rounded bottoms, an accumulation signal is a bearish cycle. And when there's zones like this, new rounded tops in the accumulation signal is a bearish cycle ending. So again, we've been in this bearish cycle ever since the April 2021 high that we had. A lot of people saying that mid-November was a fake out, even though we did have 69,000 Bitcoin. But according to the HODL waves, this has been kind of like that rounded bottom that we've had been going on since the April 2021 high that we had. And now we're heading into that green territory. So, hey, we might be coming into a new cycle where, again, there's a lot of people, at least in the technical indicators, saying that the Elliott wave theory, we might have just hit that. 17,500 was the bottom, and we're now in that uptrend for that wave 5 where we could potentially be seen. So, yeah. Found this. This is called Bitcoin Monthly Return. Just kind of looking at the history of Bitcoin and how much, like, if we were green or red months. And again, July, at least 2022, has been a pretty good month. Looks like we're up about 16.69%. And last year, it was about 18.63%, average 6.9%. Going into August of 2021 was a pretty green month as well. The average for the month only has been about a 1.73% increase. So even though, you can look at all the data and the history and whatnot, right now, at least with the macroeconomics and geopolitical stuff going on, it seems that there is going to be a nice relief for Bitcoin in the crypto markets in August. However, keep an eye on September. It's been pretty bearish in history. They always say September is wrecked-tember. So I don't know if history will repeat itself then. Again, a lot of different geopolitical, macroeconomic stuff. But I just thought this was pretty interesting, just kind of looking at the data. So, again, another piece of thing. All right, last thing I want to talk about is the Mega Millions. So there finally was a winner. One person in Illinois won that big jackpot. Looks like there's a couple Match 5 winners and then a couple other Match 5 plus Megapliers. I personally bought like a $30 worth. I got the Megaplier, and I did hit the Powerball. I hit the 14, and I got the Megaplier, so $4. So I'm down with that. But like I said, it's crazy. The gambling, it was crazy. I went to the Acme the other day. There was a long line of like 30 plus people waiting to just get a ticket and whatnot. But it looks like I don't think anybody from New Jersey won anything. Yeah, well, at least the Match 5 and the Match 5 plus, and the Illinois person. Looks like they're going to be receiving $780.5 million in cash. They bought it in Des Plaines, Illinois, at a Speedway, and I guess the retailer, they win, or they get $500,000 too as well. So, would you guys win? Let me know down below. Did you win anything? Did you get hit a couple numbers or the Mega Millions multiplier or whatever? Let me know. Just something fun I thought I'd share with you guys. All right, so that's all I have for you guys. Go follow me on TikTok. That's where I've been posting a lot of videos. I had a couple pretty decent videos the last couple days, over 2,000 views. It's crazy. And then my YouTube videos, I've only gotten less than 100, and I'm putting out the same exact content. So the algorithm is just absolutely insane over there. I just did upload a video kind of talking about some of the stuff today, but just it was only like a minute or something. So go follow me and check out those videos if you want on TikTok. Go follow me on Instagram at crypto_airborne. I post every now and then on there. And then last but not least, give me a follow on Twitter if you want at crypto_airborne, where I do all my latest and greatest real-time updates. Check out the communities group that I'm in. I do post some little things here and there on there before I do post them on Twitter. But yeah, what do you guys think the markets? You guys think that August is going to be bullish? Do you think this is just a fake out? We're going to see more to the downside? I'd be curious to hear your guys' thoughts. But again, that's all I have for you. Smash that thumbs up button on your way out. Consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Have a great weekend, or have a great rest of your weekend, everybody. Crypto Airborne, out.